the youngest of 5. Hima Das burst on the scene this year, 5th in Nairobi last year. What will she do here in Tampere?
Stand up, please.
Just as if the tension wasn't quite reaching fever pitch, they're going to be asked to settle again. Track officials, they want one of the photographers to move away a little bit. In fact, they want a few of them. Some pretty experienced photographers down there who usually know where to be for these finals. So this is just something to raise the tension a little bit more before a major final. What'll this be doing for their nerves?
You just want to get going. You just see down there Mary Mora is just having a little issue with her blocks. At this point, waiting just increases those nerves. The heart rate goes up. They're ready to go at this stage. They've come through a call room. It's sort of like torturing them a little bit.
Here we go then. Women's 400 metres final. The lineup again for you. Stacey Ann Williams is in 1. Vandy in 2. Miklos in 3. We're looking at Das in 4. Connolly in 5. Manson, there she is, in lane 6. Making her final adjustments. Outside her is Mora the Kenyan in 7. And Best from Canada in 8. Off they go. We'll keep a very close eye on Hima Das in lane 4. Connolly has gone out well, though, outside her, and so has Manson as they hit the back straight in the 400 metres final.
Ella Connolly, the Australian athlete, and Manson, the American athlete, have gone out hard. Hima Das has gone for a more conservative approach. You see Miklos as well has gone out well.
Well, Manson went fast straight out of the gate. The Australian's gone with her as well. And Das at the moment has got a lot to do as they come down towards the home straight. The American champion, Taylor Manson, running the race of her life at the moment. But here comes Hima Das. The Indian is surging. She can see the line. She can see history. India's never won any medal in a track event, but Das has done it here. Brilliant. 51.47, history made in Tampere. Hima Das has done it. What a performance. She reeled them in one by one to take a global title, and Miklos will celebrate a silver for Romania. Manson, so strong for 3/4 of the race, gets the bronze. But the Indian flag will fly proudly and historically here in Finland. India celebrates a landmark moment.
Hima Das had the weight of a nation on her shoulders. She is a huge star in India, having a fantastic career. To come here and win a global title, this will mean so much to everybody at home. All those young girls watching her incredible run, and didn't she time it to perfection? When Manson, the American, went out hard, Ella Connolly, the young Australian athlete, also went out hard, but Hima Das did not panic. When the others began to tighten up, she just came through like a train on them. And Miklos, the Romanian athlete, had the run of her life, the only athlete in that final to do a personal best. Incredible. Look at Hima Das, her technique just holding strong. She's a compact runner, really neat, and just that pure strength from her in the last 50 metres. What this will do for sport in India.
I'm joined right now by Hima Das from India, who is the world under-20 champion in the 400 metres. What does that sound like?
I'm very happy. I'm first girl of India, track and field gold medalist, so I'm very happy. So special thanks my Indian, and especially thanks my coaches Nippon sir, Navjit sir, and my team coach Miss Galina and Basant Singh sir. And especially big thank you for AFY Athlete Federation of India. She's all over support me and support all players. Thank you so much.
You're wearing this Indian flag. Anybody watching will be so proud of you. What's that feel like to take that home, take that medal?
I'm very proud for Indian flag. So my game now. So I'm very happy. Love you.
Huge congratulations. You've got your medal ceremony.
And this name of Gamusa, my state traditional. So I'm very